Hello, I am Professor Aditya Kapoor, Head of Cardiology Department at Sanjay Gandhi PGI MS Lucknow. I also happen to be the National Coordinator for CPR Awareness in India. In this context, we are trying to familiarize our members of the public with the technique of CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation. This is a simple life-saving skill which you can use to save victims of sudden cardiac arrest. We have designed the Revive CPR app, which is easily downloadable on your phones, and it is a free app. It has easy instructions to help you in case of an emergency. So in times of crisis, in times of a witness sudden cardiac arrest, please come forward, download this app, use it to help us save lives in this noble endeavor. Thank you.